But here we
Round
go.
one,
I've
start!
said this over and over again, and ladies and gentlemen, I apologize in advance. You're going to be hearing a lot of it from me. The air is thick with anticipation because each of these fights have got final ramifications. Today, the winners will move forward and the losers will go home. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Purple shots for Siddharth Chandan Shive and green for Mehdi Nasire. It's not the speed of Nasire that's making the difference, it's the movement. Siddharth is doing everything in his power, but you could see he couldn't chase him. He couldn't go ahead hunting. And Mehdi is looking light on his feet. He's sharp, he's ready. Clearly that leg injury was not really an injury. It might have just been something small that was taken care of. And Mehdi staying light on his feet, bouncing in and out at range. Very reminiscent to the notorious himself, Conor McGregor. But can he get a Conor McGregor style finish? Time will tell. Siddharth Chandan Shive was chasing after him. Unable to catch up with the speed of Mehdi. Siddharth ideally is going to be looking to make this fight, get this fight on the ground, get it dirty, tire out his opponent a little bit. Has to be careful of that front leg. Oh! Big shot! Was that a slip or a knockdown? I'm not quite sure. But right now, Siddharth Chandan Shive has got Mehdi Nasire on the back foot. I think that was more of a slip than a shot. We need to take a look at that in the replay. Siddharth taking the center. There's no shortage of a heart in that warrior because he's proved it over and over again. Oh, again 1-2 there. Return fire from Mehdi. But the left-hand side of Mehdi's head is marked up. So yes, that was a knockdown. Again, looking to chop his opponent down. Siddharth needs to start checking these leg kicks because he can't eat a lot of those. Take down for Siddharth Chandan Shive. Slowing down the pace of this fight, but Mehdi Nasire doing the scramble.
That's it,
Swinging for the fences. Again, another 1-2 left, right from Siddharth. And Mehdi Nasire may have eaten a shot or two. Huge knee. Oh, big left hook. Wow, look at these guys swinging for the fences and those inside leg kicks now from Mehdi Nasire. The confidence has gone up on Siddharth Chandan Shive's face. He knows he can tag his opponent. Both these men are coming out. They know what it means to be in the finale. And they know what's at stake here. 2 minutes remaining in this round again. Beautiful counter right hand by Mehdi Nasire as he caught Siddharth coming in.
Come on, Mehdi! That's it!
Knee to the body. And you can see there immediately Siddharth Chandan Shive turning in. Gets a double arm. Gets a hold, cable grip and drags the opponent to the ground. See how he's pinching the legs. It's a technique coined by Khabib Nurmagomedov. And that's a sign of high level grappling.
Shot throw.
Siddharth now looking for a standing guillotine from this position.
Shot throw, blue corner. Shot throw.
That's it!
Back and forth action in this fight. And really
Blue corner, shot throw.
That's it! Pound!
Continue.
That's it! Come on, Mehdi!
Looking for position. Both these guys now.
Nikala
the
gardan.
pace here. Looking for some ground and pound. Trying to land some elbows here, but Siddharth staying patient. He's got a hold of that leg and he's going to look to sweep him. But no mount here. This is a bad spot. Siddharth again got a hold of that ankle. And Nasire doing the right job. He's sprawling perfectly.
Mehdi, knee!
Their feet. And beautiful job there, Nasire.
That's it! Go!
And into more big shots. Nasire is landing some huge ground and pound here. Oh!
That's it, Mehdi, go!
The shot to that Chandan Shive is hard. But still trying to defend himself.
Pound!
Somnath Giri is right on top of the action, trying to see. Just 10 seconds remaining.
Go!
Might be stopped.
That's it! That's it, Mehdi!
Unanswered punishment.
Fighter
Here we
ready?
go, round number
Fighter
2.
ready?
In
Round
this incredible
2,
lightweight
start.
contest, the winner will move on to the finale. And both these men, a sign of respect as we get ready for round number 2.
bang, pow,
Mehdi Nasire
pow, pow.
representing
Leg,
Team
leg,
Pavan
leg,
Man.
leg, leg.
And Siddharth, the bull Chandan Shive, representing Team Bharat Kandhare, bruised and battered towards the end of that round.
That's it.
Superman punch attempt by Nasire. Just misses, but Siddharth Chandan Shive has got a little bit of swelling all across his head and his eyes. He took some big shots from Nasire. Bang,
Bang,
for leg kick.
bang.
And Mehdi's taking the patient. He knows he's got him hurt. Siddharth
Pop,
Chandan
pop,
Shive
follow
needs
up
to
on that
dig
kick,
deep.
follow
This
up
will
on that
now
kick.
come
Come
down
on.
to a battle of attrition. Does he
Action,
have the
guys.
heart to
Fight.
pull out another victory? Because we saw that in his last fight. He pulled a right hand out of the bottom to knock out his opponent and get the win to
पाँव बदल दिया
get his semi-final spot. But right now, Nasire, the fresher of the two fighters,
Stop.
Chandan Shive, waiting
फाइट
for
नहीं
his moment.
करोगे पॉइंट माइनस होगा ब्लू कॉर्नर फाइट नहीं करोगे पॉइंट माइनस होगा
One second, there's
Ready?
been a warning
Fight.
from the referee. We don't know what happened
Fight
exactly. I think
nahi
it's due to
karoge, point minus
inactivity. Somnath Giri right on top of the action, making sure these fighters fight. But I think, it's, the kind of damage that Siddharth Chandan Shive took at the end of round number 1, a lot of fighters would not have been able to take. He showed a lot of heart, but he carries that damage into round 2. I don't know how much he's recovered right now, but you can see that he's a little slower. He's still a lot more
Action,
tender.
guys!
ये भारी है ये क्या इसमें
And Nasir is just waiting for his moments.
इसमें सिद्धार्थ में
Beautiful outside leg kick there. Siddharth turned away from that kick, so the impact wasn't as bad. But you know the strategy. Now he switched stances to the southpaw to avoid damage to that lead leg, and immediately Mehdi trying to target that taped up leg. Siddharth can pack a punch from either hand, so he needs to be careful. He's got a good leading jumping right hook, and of course that straight left.
नहीं
Mehdi though
खोल
trying to corner him,
एक्शन
looking for that big right
गार्ड
hand.
मत छोड़ गार्ड मत
One two by
छोड़
Siddharth. Didn't land exactly clean. But doing well to defend himself on that front leg. He's reading Mehdi's leg kicks coming in from the other side perfectly.
follow
A little slower round as we cross the halfway mark of this second round. Neither fighter landing anything
कर रहा है वो
significant
left
yet. Again, straight left hook, straight left by Siddharth Chandan Shive.
good सिद्धार्थ good
Will he try and capture lightning in a bottle again by getting the victory in the second round like he did in his first fight?
एक्शन
Mehdi Nasir is still high guard, staying active and gets out of harm's way. But immediately looks to return fire. Siddharth Chandan Shive doing a lot better to
Mehdi
read
thoda hila hua.
Mehdi Nasir in this round. And that's what he wants to do. Close the distance, make the fight gritty and dirty. Big right
Go,
hand,
go,
left
go,
hand
go,
over
go,
the
go.
top. Again,
Go.
huge right hands. Both these men exchanging. Siddharth
वो
Chandan
साला
Shive staying in the
follow-up में
pocket,
deadly है.
making this gritty and dirty. And head kick! Big head kick, and you know that hurt him.
That's it. Go,
Siddharth
go,
Chandan
go,
Shive
go.
is in a world of
Left,
trouble.
right.
He's hurt
Come on,
badly.
Mehdi, go,
And
go,
Mehdi
go, go,
Nasir
go.
knows this. He's in deep trouble. Big knee there. He's still in trouble as we've got a little over a minute in this round. Catches him again with the big right hand. Mehdi Nasir has got Siddharth Chandan Shive hurt, but as it again head kick. Wow, what is Siddharth Chandan Shive made of? I don't know what that head is made of because he's taken some hard, heavy strikes. Man, oh man. Both these men are putting on a real show here. The crowd is on their feet. Everybody's on their feet cheering them on.
एक्शन एक्शन गाइस
10 seconds,
फाइट
40 seconds to go in this fight. The referee egging them on, saying action.
सिद्धार्थ का
Inside leg kick.
प्रॉब्लम क्या है सिद्धार्थ का
Forces him to switch stances. Siddharth Chandan Shive has taken a fair amount of damage in this fight,
चांस ढूंढ रहा है
but he needs to do what he knows
जैसे
best. He
परसों
needs to
किया ना।
close the distance, look for that takedown. But does he have the energy? It's a culmination of the damage taken so far. Oh, big right hand,
That's it,
stinging
Mehdi.
right hand. And God, what a chin on him. 10 seconds remaining in this round. Again, swings and misses as Mehdi Mehdi Nasire. But what a round for him. It's been incredible as we
Stop!
get ready for round number
Corner!
3. What
Corner!
a war.
It's a good fight.
Fighter
And
ready?
Siddharth stood there.
Fighter
He
ready?
stood there and took
Round
it.
3, fight!
Third and final round. Show of respect between these two warriors, between Team Bharat Kandhare and Team Pavan Man. Mehdi Nasire in the green trunks, Siddharth Chandan Shive in the purple trunks. Both men showing all kinds of heart. Third and final round. Even in the second round, they started a bit tentatively. Big leg kick. Almost knocks Siddharth out of balance. And that's the specialty of Mehdi Nasire. He lands that low calf kick. Siddharth trying a spinning back kick there, but he needs to conserve his energy. He needs to wait for his opportunity. The best work we saw from Siddharth Chandan Shive was when he was in the pocket, when he could get in range and make that fight dirty. But it's also a culmination of the damage taken over 2 rounds and the damage that he took in his first fight. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a tournament. Therefore, these fighters are fighting back-to-back fights. And they know what they signed up for. They want to be the Kumite 1 warrior, and that's what it takes. Nice outside leg kick by Siddharth Chandan Shive. Mehdi Nasire, though, waiting for his moment. Like a cheetah stalking a gazelle, taking his time, staying on the outside, picking his shots. Right now, even with that point deduction, I don't know what the score right now is. Only the judges will decide. Big leg kick. And Siddharth trying to chase after him, get after him. That's what he needs more. He can't chase after him. He needs to cut off the ring, cut off his movement and corner him. Siddharth trying to wait for that big shot. He's been able to find some success in the striking. But right now, Mehdi Nasire is outpointing him. Little over 3 minutes remaining in this third and final round. As both these men have shown incredible heart. They've given it their all. They've stepped in and shown what it takes to be a warrior. But it's also at this point in time, the amount of energy they've expended across these 2 rounds.
आराम से स्कोरिंग लेता
They
रहे.
also start to take a toll, Siddharth. Staying
Last
in the
3
pocket,
minutes
staying
है.
patient.
2 minute
Mehdi
finish.
pushing out that jab. Big leg kick.
Hey!
Nice counter left
Hey!
hook
Lambी
by
kick
Mehdi
मार.
Nasire as Siddharth stepped forward. Those shots, you know what? Siddharth is a gamer. He will not quit till the final bell. But it takes a toll. Those leg kicks have slowed down his movement. He can't pivot off that front leg. And every time Mehdi steps in, he brings the heat. Head kick there. Faked the low kick, came over with the left head kick. What is Siddharth Chandan Shive made of? I don't know. But he's certainly made of championship material at this point. Little over 2 minutes remaining in this third and final round. The crowd in anticipation on their feet.
Up, guard up, guard up!
Siddharth stepping forward. And
Mehdi, guard up!
looking for, trying to capture lightning in the bottle again. Looking for that head kick. Nice jab, going back to his fundamentals. 1-2. And that's what he needs to do. He found a lot of success in those 1-2s. You can see Coach Pavan Man Singh telling him the same thing. Set up your strikes. Oh, beautiful. Horrible
Superb,
leg kick.
superb.
It spun his
Guard up, guard up, guard up!
Siddharth, again, that's what I'm
That's
saying.
it, guard up!
Step forward. But his leg kicks have taken a
Hey, knee!
stances now. But Mehdi respects Siddharth Chandan Shive's power. He doesn't want to step into range, doesn't want to step in the pocket and risk getting knocked out with just a minute and a half remaining in the fourth. Again, that leg kick. It may not have been the shin, it may be the foot that landed under
Guard
the
up,
knee.
guard up!
But nevertheless, the force of that kick sent Siddharth spinning backwards.
Hands up, bro. Block,
Siddharth though cannot be a station. Oh, big right hook. Steps over and catches Mehdi Nasire. And Mehdi immediately steps back. He might be smiling it off, but again, Mehdi comes back with a combination of his own. He can't get reckless here. Siddharth Chandan Shive might be a cornered lion, but they're the most dangerous at that point. He still packs a lot of power. He needs to stick to his game plan, stick and move.
Guard,
land
guard,
those
guard,
jabs.
guard, guard!
And
That's
Siddharth
it.
Chandan
देखो,
Shive
नहीं तो
needs to
face
go
पे
for
गिरता।
broke.
यही है ना, fighters know
40
समझते
seconds remaining in this fight. Both these men have poured it on the line.
Mehdi!
And he's bleeding. And you can see
Mehdi!
Mehdi Nasire, a big cut over his right eye. But he doesn't care because that's the heart of a warrior. And he's saying, come on, step forward. Let's make this a fight. Let's give these people what they came here
Mehdi,
for. Let's put on a show here.
Mehdi
And that's
up.
the warrior spirit.
Mehdi got up.
Both Siddharth Chandan
Action,
Chibbe
fighter.
and Mehdi Nasire. 10 seconds remaining in this fight. And Siddharth Chandan Chibbe trying to step forward, trying for that one big swing to end it, because Mehdi Nasire knows that he's done enough to score and secure his
Go,
place in
fighter.
that final. What a fight, ladies and gentlemen. This crowd is on their feet.